Soccer DBB number 122, and that is 2016-17 Topps Champions League Showcase. Team random. Everybody gets one good team and one not so good team. Let's start with the not so good team. Dice roll. Snake Eyes is re-roll. 3 times only. Good luck, guys. Here we go. 1. Put that a bit smaller. 2. And final time 3. We have Kiev combo on top, Atletico at the bottom. That are your not so good teams. On to the better teams. Good luck. Also 3 times. Here we go. 1, 2, and that's a final time. Good luck. 3. We have Tottenham on top. Wow, don't see that often that Tottenham is on top. And Leverkusen at the bottom. All right, good luck, guys. Oops. Topps Champions League Showcase. So who has the big team? Real Madrid is a good team. Bayern, Dortmund. We have a case of this tonight, guys, and still some spots left, so grab your spots on that. Can you see the teams? I hope. Now it's better. Oops. Alright, guys, good luck. Got no patch in this one, only 1 per case. Here we go. Oh, we got a red to 25 going to nice Leicester. Jamie Vardy, 3 of 25 for Leicester. 3 out of 25. And Leicester City is who has Leicester? Where's Leicester? Oh, Stefan Stats, number 225. Next up, wow, Marco Reus autograph. Not bad. Not bad. Dortmund. And that is Casper. Congrats. Nice hit. Marco Reus. Good start today. Hi, Oli. We got insert for Moraes and Kiev. We got Alexis Sanchez, Arsenal. And we got a gold base in 99 for PSV Eindhoven, Jetro Willems. PSV Eindhoven. We got Jamie Vardy, Leicester. We got Ronaldo, road to victory, Real. And here's the autograph already. We have Tosun for Besiktas. We got Static Success, Rafael Gladbach. Gold base to 99, Hector Herrera for Porto. FC Porto. Insert Di Maria for Paris Saint-Germain. And autograph, last hit of the break. It is going to, wow, Bayern, Manuel Neuer. Nice box. Neuer and Royce autographs, not numbered. And Bayern in this one is Casper again. Wow, congrats, Casper. That was your box. Congrats. That's a nice box. Thanks again for joining. Hope to see you next time. Peace.